Having younger looking skin takes just 3 simple steps each day with the Tria Age-Defying Laser. Step 1 is to cleanse and dry your face. For best results, use the Tria Priming Cleanser. It's specially formulated to remove makeup, sunscreen, and other impurities that can block the laser's light and make it less effective. Once your face is clean and dry, you're ready to begin Step 2, the laser treatment. First, remove the laser from the charging cradle and press the power button to turn it on. This is also the button for selecting your level. You have 3 choices: 1, 2, 3. To treat, place the entire laser tip flat against your skin and glide it from side to side. After your treatment is finished, the treatment completion indicator lights up. A special tone sounds and your Tria laser automatically turns off. Which brings us to Step 3. Following your laser treatment, apply a nourishing serum to help soothe and moisturize your skin. For best results, use the Tria Finishing Serum. With just 3 easy steps every day, you can treat multiple signs of aging for your entire face and reveal a smoother, more radiant complexion.